Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share your store link from Shopify. Sharing your store link makes it easy for customers to visit your website and browse your products. We will walk you through how to find and share your Shopify store link. To find your store link, click on Home, then go to the Domain section. Here you can see your domain. Next, click the clipboard icon. Click this clipboard icon, and once you do, it will show a confirmation that it has been copied. To confirm your store link, open a new tab and paste it in. Then simply press Enter. And there it is, your store. That is your link. We can now send it to anyone. Share it on social media with friends and on other platforms so that your store gets seen. That's all there is to it. We have successfully found and shared a Shopify store link. Customers can now easily access your store and explore everything you have to offer.